So this is a radiator kit that we put together that came off of a Case IH7210. This is going to be a kit that's perfect for someone that's had an accident, smashed in the front of the tractor. What you're going to get is the radiator, the shroud. We're going to turn this around here so you get the hood support also. You're going to get the AC condenser and also the oil cooler. On this particular unit, everything looks good. The only potential issue that we saw is back in here. There's a few fins that look like they're flaking off a little bit, but they're not into the core. So we're going to guarantee this thing for 1 year upon purchase. We've also looked inside the radiator. Everything looks clean, core looks good, all the lines look good, no cracks, everything looks good. If we can help you, give us a call.